And that's, guys, what you've been waiting for. Lots of mud and lots of trees. Only anaconda left, huge one. Spikes. Spikes everywhere. Finito. Totally deeply, and got some spikes on my arm too. Yeah. So, a little bit painful. Ouch. Ah.
Oh my god. Like a ballerina. Oh wow.
I got a couple spikes on that trip, the journey. Yeah, and I asked about alcohol and a needle. And so that's what I got as a needle. Like if you can see that a little piece from the cactus. And I don't even know what is this kind of, what kind of alcohol that is, but okay, whatever. Yeah, let's do some surgery. Okay, surgery, little surgery. But that's what we have in the jungle. Kind of want full experience, be ready for full experience. Eating popcorn, drinking coffee. Yeah. And trying to get the last splinter, which is pretty deep. I guess total about five or six them I got. Last one.